Hey, hey, it's Patti Allred here, and I hope you are having a great day. I wanted to come on here and just talk to you a little bit about no, 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 and no. That's the title of my talk today. How many no's do you hear a day, a week, a month? You know, in our profession, in this industry, if you're not hearing a lot, then you're probably not doing a lot, because it is true. The more no's we hear, the more yeses that we get out of that. But I know one of the main things that we hear, one of the main no's, is no time. You ever hear that? I can't do it. I have no time. You know what? Having no time should be a #1 reason to do this. It is to create time, and we all have the same amount of time. Can I get a witness? So having no time is a great reason to want to be your own boss, to want to create a better environment for yourself and for your family. Another one is no money. I have no money. I can't do that. Okay. If you keep doing what you're doing, is it going to bring you in more money? Probably not. Are you just getting by now? You know, that no time should be a reason to do things differently. No money should definitely be a reason to do things differently. It should be one of the #1 reasons to do it as well. Investing in yourself is freaking key to getting you over the hump, to getting you clear on your vision, to learning how to do what needs to be done. But you know what? We make it hard. I don't know why we do that, but we make it hard. And you know what? Another no that I hear, and I've used. Hey, I've used all of these. I've used the no time, I can't do it, the no money, I don't have the money to invest, and the no support. No support from your spouse or your family or friends. Heck, we get that. We know it. And you know what? Those that aren't supporting us, they need to just get out of our way while we're doing what we're doing. We can still love them, and we can still pray for them. But you know what? If you're not supporting me, slide over. You can catch up with me later. You know, love them, but leave them. Let's see. We have the prize. We have the solution. They have the problem. How are we going to present it to them? That's something that we need to address and get it out there. We need to address it to them where their no's are going to seem kind of silly to them for even saying, no, I don't have time. No, I don't have the money. No, I don't have support. We just need to make it clear and make it easy and make it simple. Let them know that we are there to support them, and we are there to help them get past that and gain their time, gain more money, gain support. It's what we are here for. Let's see, I made a couple of notes. Yeah, to be clear, let's make this easy. Let's enjoy it. Let's have fun. You know, I say this and I say this. If you're not having fun, what's the freaking point? Make some changes. There's plenty out there to do. Find out what you enjoy doing and go for it. Get some help. Get some support. Hey, look me up, PattiAllred.com, PattiAllred.com. Check out my, hey, I've got a TV show. If I can do this, you can do this. I've got a TV show, Positively Patti. You can find the link on my PattiAllred.com. I'm I'm just here to let you know that an average person can have fun, can make money, can find more time, and enjoy life on your terms. Can I get a witness? Let's do this together. Most of all, choose happy. I pray that you have an amazing day today and every day, but make this day your best day by choosing happy and go after those no's. We're going to switch that all around. Go find me on social media. Check me out. If I can help you, I would love to help you. If I'm not your person, hey, I can guide you to some others that are phenomenal and amazing. I love you. Make today great. And until next time, I'll see you later.